Christmas, we're gonna kill some trees. Merry Christmas. Dude, that is a big tree. That's the one you want. And then you just start singing the song. So it's gonna be all. Be in front of the hole.
How I like to funk thee, and all the rappers in the top 10, please allow me to bump thee. I'm stepping tall, y'all, and just like Humpty Dumpty, you're gonna fall when the stereos pump me. I like to rhyme, I like my beats funky. I'm spunk, my oatmeal lumpy. I'm sick with this, straight gangsta Mac. But sometimes I get ridiculous. I'll eat up all your crackers and your licorice. Oh, yo, fat girl, come here, are you ticklish? Yeah, I called you fat. Look at me, I'm skinny. It never stopped me from getting busy. I'm a freak. I like the girls with the broom. I once got busy.
Look up and give me a smile, Kai. Anything? Yeah, nice, nice. That's a nice tree carcass you got there.
And I even got my own dance.
Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. Let's cut down all the trees.
Almost halfway through. We go find another one. No, we want this one. We're gonna count it. See how old it is.
Ready? Timber! Timber! He's old as it. Is it as old as Mom? Did we do that in the past where we are?
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21.
Same age as me.
I'm still getting paid. I get by the ladies, you know I'm in charge. Both how I'm living and my nose is large. I get stupid. I shoot an arrow like Cupid. I use a word that don't mean nothing, like Luke did. I sang on Do What You Like, and if you missed it, I'm the one who said just grab them in the biscuits. Also told you that I like to bite. Well, yeah, I guess it's obvious. I also like to write. All you had to do was give Humpty a chance, and now I'm gonna do my dance. The Humpty dance is your chance to do the hump. Come on. Yeah, sexy lady. Do the Humpty Come on, I'll do the Humpty Hump. Sexy baby. Everybody, come on and do the Humpty Hump. Do you know what we're doing? We're doing the Humpty Hump, y'all. I'll do the Humpty Hump. Watch me do the Humpty Hump. Yeah, that's the break, y'all. Let me know that bass groove right here. Yeah. Now that I told y'all a little bit about myself, let me tell you a little bit about this dance.